Okay, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all all of the frozen stuff. My husband actually bought this big old cooler because he said we needed it, and it's like a 150 quart cooler, and we filled it up. So let's see if I can, oh, there we go. I'll start showing you what we bought. We got the pancake and sausage on a stick by Jimmy Dean. Kids love these. And then also, we got a big 36 snack size sausage biscuits. Our kids get out of school this next Thursday, so we need lots of food at home. Big box, Totino's pizza rolls. This is stuff they can make quick, easy lunch or snacks. Big box of State Farm corn dogs, 30 count. Hot Pockets, the pepperoni pizza. They didn't have the ham and cheese, so I'll have to get some of those at Walmart. And some beef and bean El Monterey burritos. Then we got 5 pounds of mozzarella cheese shredded, 5 pounds of mild cheddar shredded cheese. Sorry if y'all hear in the background the lawnmower. And then we got chicken and cheese mini tacos. Tyson chicken nuggets. And we wanted to try these Angus beef patties, hamburger patties. There are 18 half-pound, or
what's up, fam?
burgers.
What's up, fam? Hey, I can't see myself. What's up, fam?
We got some Tyson crispy chicken strips.
And we got some
Make sure.
Eckrich smoked sausages.
Anyways, this is a 42-ounce pack.
And then we have some mini.
We got 2 of these.
Then we got some Hillsborough Farm Little Smokies.
Little Smokies, and this
And then we got
okay.
my foot.
No, my husband got this big whole boneless pork loin, and it was actually a pretty good price. I mean, for this big thing, it was $15.82. So we got that.
Ooh, yum.
And pimento cheese. I like this. Bryce likes this.
Never tried it.
We also got 2 of these 2-pound Jimmy Dean regular sausage. We got 2 packages of this. And then we got 2 packages of these chicken breast. They're only $1.82 a pound, and I'm gonna split these up into freezer bags. So that's all that was in here. I'm gonna quickly put this stuff up because it's actually been in here for a while. And then I'll continue on. Okay, now we're to our other cooler. We bought 2 bags of these, there's 40 of these dinner rolls in here, and these are so good. We have bought these before at Walmart, not as big. And then in here I have another one. And then we bought this pizza crust kit. It has yeah, you can freeze to enjoy later. Yeah, eat now. And it has sauce, so all you have to basically do is put your cheese and your toppings on there. So, and then the other thing that my husband bought, we went to a Mexican grocery store, and we bought this fajita marinated skirt steak. And he bought, how many did he buy? 4 packages of this. And actually tonight we're gonna make some of this up. So what we don't make, we're gonna put in the freezer. But we went to a Mexican grocery store, and we got a few other things I will show you. So I'm gonna leave that stuff in there because he's about to start grilling. Let me go put this stuff up, and then I'll show you some more. Sorry, this is kind of all over the place, but yeah. Okay, y'all, this is also the stuff we got from the Mexican store. This is fajita seasoning that my husband saw and was like, we're gonna get that. And then y'all seen me use this Sazon, how do you say it? Sazon Goya?
Sazon Goya.
Sazon Goya. So we got a big thing of that. And then we saw these little gums, had to get those. And then my husband was looking for a certain kind of peppers that he always would get. Their peppers with carrots. They didn't have it, so he just got the closest thing to it. And then they have these tortillas that you can get up at the front that are like, I guess they make there in the store. So we got some of those, and we'll freeze the ones that we don't use probably, I think. Now we're over here, now we're over here with the rest of our Sam stuff. Several people said you've got to try the muffins, so I got the variety pack. We got a bag of avocados because I want to try to start eating a little healthier, and I want to do avocado toast, which Courtney likes too. We're going to use some of that for our barbecue tonight.
Have you already done this part, Mom?
Not yet. No. Over here, I bought a big thing of the Finish dishwasher tablets. I bought a big thing of Dawn dish soap. I just got one thing of the wipes. We got some of these little, got a little thing of these cherub tomatoes, a 2-pack of Pam cooking spray, 5 pounds of cuties, 5 pounds of Gala apples, and then we also got a 3-pound bag of limes. Turn y'all around, and this is what we got from Walmart. I've been everywhere today. We're having a cookout tonight, and so I was actually in the process of making some of this, the Suddenly salad, and Adrian asked me to get him these spaghetti and meatballs, so I got 2 of those. I got another thing of mayonnaise, ignore my dirty dishes, some Q-tips, some jalapeno peppers, lettuce, and Adrian asked me if I'd get him this. I got him a little frog for fishing. Some lighter fluid, which we also got a big bag of charcoal, which my husband has outside. I needed some more of this, it's like basically the Walmart Jet Dry. And then, so I don't have to do a lot of dishes while we have company, I got some of these 50-pack of cups, 2 liters of Dr. Pepper, a 2 liter of Pepsi, cherry Pepsi, and a 2 liter of root beer. And I think that is it. Oh no, one more thing over here. I got a ton of gallon bags now. Oh, and then I'll show y'all. I got this little thing at Ross, which you'll see in a video when I start doing some organization in my kitchen. I'm going to use that for something. And I'll bring you over here to one other little thing I wanted to show y'all. It's going to be part of my organization thing. It was too cute. Y'all know I like redone. Sorry, I should have had this out and I forgot. Y'all see it? Here. It's a little letter holder. And then I got some e.l.f. My mind is blank. Eyeshadow. Okay. Anyways, so that concludes our haul. Hope y'all enjoyed it.